Hey, this is all display settings that you can find on the Samsung A07. So first of all, light mode, dark mode, brightness, automatic brightness, motion smoothness, so this is screen refresh rate, 60 Hz or 90 Hz. There's also the night light, so the blue light filter. We can change font size, font style, we can download fonts, we can turn on bold font. We can also change screen size. There's also camera cutout option to hide it in the specific applications. And below we can find screen timeout. There's navigation bar, so we can get buttons, swipe, gestures. For gestures you are able to change sensitivity, and for the buttons you are able to change buttons order. At the bottom we can find touch protection and touch sensitivity, and here we can also find the screen saver, so we can put some colors or specific photos.